good, vlog? It's your girl Zaire Joy, and I'm back here with another freaking video. I know y'all thinking like, oh, she got that sweater on. This sweater is so comfortable, y'all. Walmart, $10, period. But you guys, in this video, I'm starting my weight loss journey. So let me show you guys. I know y'all probably thinking like, oh, you not even big, girl. You not. I know y'all thinking like, you not even big, girl. You not even like what weight loss, huh? No, girl. I bought a scale also so I can weigh myself before, but I have a stomach, and that's really what I'm trying to break down and get down, is just my stomach. So I'm about to eat healthier. Well, I feel like I eat pretty healthy, but like cutting out certain foods. I'm kind of like not even on dairy like that, but get more off dairy. Tristan has his own yoga mat, and I bought a new yoga mat for myself, period. Let me show y'all. This is what it looks like. So yeah, got that. Next we have a slimming belt from Five Below. All this stuff came from Five Below, but yeah. And then I also got some mini bands, so we can get that booty nice too.
At the same time, we're trying to get that booty nice.
But what I'm gonna do is we're about to go to the gym right now, and so once we go to the gym, I'm gonna come back and do some homework, take a shower, and cook. And we're having a salmon Caesar salad, because I've been feeling Caesar salads a whole lot lately. But here's how the band looks. Oh my gosh. Wow. Okay, I'm about to put this on, and yeah. I have some like tights on, so I'm gonna just keep these tights on, and I'm just gonna put on a different shirt. All right, vlog. So we're heading over to the gym in our complex, but somebody's over here. You ready?
Yeah.
It's cold as all get out, but we're gonna work out. We forgot the cord though, so we're gonna play it on the phone. So yeah. Okay, y'all, I'm not even gonna lie. Look at Riston. I'm not even gonna lie, y'all. The camera ran out of storage while we finished that workout. But that's okay. I'm about to actually do something, y'all. I might do another one of these workouts. I guess I'll do another one. She got one to get rid of your stomach. So I guess we'll do that to work my lower abs.
Way off in the deep end like usual. Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up. Virgil got a paddock on my wrist going nuts. Niggas caught me slipping once, okay, so what? I've been moving kind of start no trouble with me. Trying to keep it peaceful is a struggle for me. Don't pull up at 6 a.m. and cuddle with me. You know how I like it when you loving on me. I don't wanna die for them to miss me. Driving solo, I'm just swerving through my ends. When I'm sober, I just don't like who I am. Pull me up a four and I feel like myself again. Blow me up some dope and I feel like myself again. I'ma break every box they try to put me in. I can see clearly when you're on myself.
I am tired. I'm really tired right now. And like, I'm about to roll this man up. We better go out there. No, man. And I got to stand on my stomach. Alright, y'all, so my camera's about to die and I'm pretty sure I grabbed the wrong kind of bands to use. So he's getting it. Look at him. Alright, y'all, so this is the scale and I'm about to try it out. So let's do this together. Okay, put it flat.